we're in Sydney now. Our flight was a little bit delayed, so we got here at 1, but we're just heading to our hotel. We're staying somewhere a little bit Darling Harbour, so I feel like our hotel's going to be really nice. I look like a mess. I washed my hair last night so it's curly. I need to straighten it, but I wasn't getting up any earlier this morning to do that.
I've got like around the quarter of a million mark, but that's across the whole of it. So we're staying at the Novotel, I think it's called something like that, in Sydney, and it's really nice here. This is like the little reception area, and like when we showed up, like people came and got our bags and stuff like that. Like, so yeah, we're definitely finishing off with like the nicest hotel, which was fun. So yeah, we're here for 3 nights. I'm really excited to see our room. We're going for a walk to get something to eat. It's actually really nice here. So I've never been to Sydney before. Looks like the aquarium is over there. It says the zoo's there too, but I don't know if it is. That's the Maritime Museum, which I really want to go to. But yeah, so far so good. It's really hot here as well. So we're out for lunch now. We're at a place called I'm Angus. We've got grilled halloumi, jalapeno poppers, and cheese mozzarella sticks. So okay, got a stick. So it's the next day and we're out for breakfast. I've got a bit of a headache, so I'm really hoping that goes away, but there's breakfast down at the hotel and it's like a buffet breakfast thing, and there is so much, like there's all the like breakfast food here, then over there there's like cereal and like baked goods and stuff, so I'm really excited. So we finished breakfast and we're going for a walk. I think we're going to the market or something. I'm not really sure. But it's quite pretty. I feel like it's kind of similar to Melbourne. Can't remember if I said it or not, but I've never been to Sydney before. So it's like a bit of a different experience for me. I think Brisbane is obviously definitely the prettiest, but we're at the market now. We found this stall that has so many costumes. Like, this would be perfect for my Halloween series, but I don't think I can bring back 31 costumes. There's so much cool stuff here. We just finished up at the market. I got quite a couple of cool things upside down. And me, mum, and my 2 sisters just got a massage, which was so nice. We went to one of those little like pop-up little massage places like inside the market. I feel like I've been wanting one the whole time I've been over here. It was so like well needed. My feet are feeling better. We're having some lunch now. So I got bago buns, they're called seaweed salt chips or something, Japanese popcorn chicken, and then a peach iced tea. So we are designing minifigures, personalised minifigures at Lego. I'm so excited. Okay, so we're on our way to the Sydney show now. So Uranus over there. We're just making our way. so it's the next day now. The concert last night was so great. It was just so good. So my sister didn't end up getting to go because my nephew was sick. Edward, the little baby, was sick, so that's a shame. I think they're gonna try and see if she can go tonight though. But yeah, this was my new jumper that I got. You can't even see it, that's fine. But yeah, today we're going to the zoo, but we're stopping off at this it's called like the Panda Pancake Place. I don't know, something like that. I don't know. I'll find a name and I'll show you when we get there. But yeah, I'm really excited. Had such a great day yesterday. It was so much fun. So we're at, it's called Cafe Lost and Found, and we're here now, and it's so cute. Like, so cute. It's full of like plants and like little decorations and stuff. There's even like a little fountain. It's really, really cute here. I'm so excited. This is an iced chocolate. And I'm guessing that's like hot chocolate you pour it into there. I'm so excited. I got eggs Benedict. Looks so good. This is the Panda French toast. How cute is that? We are at Taronga Zoo now. So I'm so excited. Absolutely love the zoo. The building here is like so pretty. So we're gonna go in now, aren't we?
Yeah.
Okay, we're in the zoo now. These little squirrel monkeys, they're so cute. Look at them. They're so small. Oh, I'd love one of them. This is one of the views from the zoo. There's the bridge and the opera house over there. It's like the prettiest view. So nice. Here are the giraffes. How cute are they? Look at them. Having some lunch. Love them. So cute. Do you reckon that one at the back's a baby? Looks younger. So cute. I love chimps. They're like my favourite. I know. That's so cute. Chimps are so cute. Do you want to come and see the babies? You want to see the babe? How rude. The chimps have just had babies. They're over there and they're so small. Oh, he's cuddling his mummy. That is so cute. Oh, look at them. They're just a baby. They're just a little baby. Look, Ruby, this is Nene coming over. She's having a ride on the... That is so cute.
That definitely looks like poops.
Yeah, it does, actually.
These two are having a cuddle. Oh, I'm really tired.
What else?
I know, right? Who are these cutie pies down there, Elgie? Oh. That's funny. And look at their little big friend over there. Do you reckon I get scared of the big giraffe? Look at him. What a sweetie pie. He's doing such a great job. These are the gorillas. They're so cute. I love them. Look at it. They're so... Oh my god, he's got a thing around his neck, look. These are the elephants. He's having something to eat. This one over here is having something to drink. So cute. I don't know if you can see. But he's got his little trunk up like in the water. Having a drink. So cute. Yeah, that's so the bear can't attack you.
No, these ones aren't aggressive.
No, but how far down does it go?
Must be.
So,
Oh, he's crying.
Well, this is right.
Captain will take us to that. We arrive. Please be sure to visit the nature station where you can learn more about how you can have safe and wonderful life. I know you all have an amazing life. Thank you. It's not
Wow, how cute. Are they real chickens? Oh my god, they're real chickens. What the hell?
Oh, it's a baby.
Aww, they're real chickens. Real chickens.
It's a baby.
He's pacing.
You get in the car, mate?
Yeah, I want to.
Come on, window.
Wow, so pretty. Okay, so yeah, I can't remember if I said or not, but my sister's meant to come to the concert last night, but then my nephew got sick, so she didn't get to come. So Mum was like, oh well, their last show is tonight. Why is this not focusing? Hang on. She said, oh well, the last show is tonight, so she was like, I'll buy you and Dad tickets so you can go. And then me and Mum ended up getting tickets as well, so we're back to watch the show for, it'll be my third time and Mum's fourth time, so. It's our last day today and we've come down to the bridge and the Opera House. I've never been to Sydney before, so I've obviously never seen these. So yeah, it's really pretty. Cool. Love it. Just out for breakfast now. Got an iced chocolate. We've got eggs Benedict on the way. Some pancakes as well. Okay, so this is my eggs Benedict.
It's only
pancakes.
Gary
So good. So we just went to some markets near the bridge and I feel like they weren't that great, but now we've come to another market. This is the Glebe market. So we're gonna go now and have a look. And then we're gonna head, after we have a look here, we've got to head back to the hotel, get our luggage and head to the airport. Bye guys!